live healthier, happier, and longer without the guilt or the overwhelm. And you know, I once had a week where I lived on vending machine snacks and late-night pizza. At first I thought, hey, I'm surviving. But by the end of the week, my brain felt like mashed potatoes, my stomach hated me, and my energy was gone. Let me guess. Breakfast is usually coffee, lunch is whatever you can grab fast, and dinner. Well, that's just damage control, right? But here's the scary part. Poor nutrition doesn't just make you tired, it steals your energy, messes with your focus, and can shave years off your healthy life. So let me ask you, if you're too busy to eat right today, what's it really costing you tomorrow? Hi friends, welcome back. If you're new here, I share simple tips to help you live healthier, happier, and longer without the guilt or the overwhelm. And today's video, it's for my fellow busy bees, because let's face it, life isn't slowing down anytime soon. So I'm going to share nutrition tips for busy people, easy hacks that actually fit into a crazy schedule. You know, I once had a week where I lived on vending machine snacks and late-night pizza. At first I thought, hey, I'm surviving. But by the end of the week, my brain felt like mashed potatoes, my stomach hated me, and my energy was gone. Sound familiar? Busy people often think eating healthy takes too much time or too much money. But here's the truth. If we don't fix our nutrition, our body will send the bill later, and trust me, it's expensive. Tip 1. Power breakfasts. Number 1. Start your day with a real breakfast. No, coffee doesn't count as a food group. Keep it simple. Greek yogurt with fruit, overnight oats, or even a boiled egg with whole grain toast. Why? Because skipping breakfast is like trying to drive to work on an empty gas tank. You'll crash halfway. Tip 2. Smart snacking. Number 2. Snack smart. Busy people grab chips, candy, or whatever's closest. Instead, keep almonds, apples, or protein bars in your bag or desk. Think of snacks like pit stops in a race. You don't need a buffet, you just need fuel to keep going. Tip 3. Hydration hack. Number 3. Water, water, water. Most people walk around dehydrated and think they're just tired. Here's a hack. Buy a big reusable water bottle, like the kind that looks like a mini fire hydrant, and keep it near you. If it's in sight, you'll drink it. Trust me, your brain runs better on water than it does on lattes. Tip 4. Meal prep light. Number 4. Meal prep, but the lazy version. You don't need to spend your whole Sunday cooking, just make double when you do cook. Grilled chicken tonight. Boom, tomorrow's salad topping. Quinoa with dinner. Hello, lunch bowls for 2 days. Think of it like Netflix. You binge once and enjoy later. Tip 5. Outsmart fast food. Number 5. Outsmart fast food. We all get stuck grabbing something quick. The trick? Choose grilled over fried, add veggies where you can, and skip the giant soda. Here's the fear factor. Fast food every day doesn't just add weight, it adds risk. Heart disease, diabetes, all the stuff we swear will never happen to us. But it does, unless we make small, smarter swaps. Tip 6. Balance, not perfection. And finally, number 6, don't chase perfection. Look, nobody eats kale 24/7. You can still enjoy pizza, ice cream, or a burger. The secret is balance. If 80% of your food fuels you, then 20% can feed your soul. Life's too short not to enjoy chocolate. So let's recap. Start your day with real fuel, snack smart, drink water, prep easy meals, make fast food work for you, and aim for balance, not perfection. The scary truth? If you ignore nutrition now, your energy, your health, even your future could pay the price. But the exciting part? Just a few small changes can give you more energy, clearer focus, and more years of feeling amazing. If you found these tips helpful, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell, because I've got more simple, real-life health tips coming your way. And hey, drop a comment below. Which of these hacks are you going to try first? Remember, Healthy eating isn't about having more time, it's about making smarter choices with the time you already have. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video.